G'day guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a fire pit. Not a normal fire pit, this is actually a small, robust and inexpensive one. What I've actually done is simply taken a steamer. These steamers are fairly well available. They cost around about $10. This, coupled with one of these grates, this is a grate from Temu, cost me about $10–12. These make a great adjunct to your camping gear. They're light, they're easy, and most importantly, they'll actually help you contain a fire in those areas where open fires are not allowed. The following footage just simply shows you how you can put twigs into it, start it up, put on the grill, and then from that point, boil your billy, put your frying pan on there, whatever you need to do. If you like this sort of content, please make sure that you hit the subscribe, notification, and if you have any questions or whatever, just put them in the comments and I'll address them straight away. Video after this one, which will be in about a week's time, is going to be about a pump-up tent. Look forward to talking to you then. Take care. See you later. Bye.